I'm very mindful with it, very respectful with it. I don't do too much, I do just enough. I don't go overboard, I don't go underboard. I'm not the basement, I'm not the attic, I'm where you live. I'm very demure.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a full reset, a full Sunday reset and clean with me. We'll be cleaning upstairs, and that includes the wardrobe, all the mess that's behind me, and all of the mess that's behind you that you can't see yet. That also includes the bedroom, the bathroom, and the hallway. I'm not going to lie. Upstairs hasn't been touched for 2 weeks. It's gross, I know, don't come for me. We are going to be cleaning it today. This will be a voiceover video, and I will be talking you through what I'm using, what I'm doing, and if I have any hints, tips, or tricks. If you have any hints for me, please drop them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching in advance. I hope you enjoy the video. We're starting in the wardrobe and starting by decluttering the shoe wall. This always ends up being a dumping ground, so I like to start here and work my way around the room. Just a quick FYI, this is a IKEA PAX wardrobe system, so the lights, the wardrobe, the shoe wall, and the mirror are all from IKEA. If you'd like a dedicated wardrobe video talking about the pricing and design, please drop a comment in the comment section. And I do also want to apologize for the blurriness of the video. I promise it's only for the first 2 minutes. I will be sharp and in 4K for the rest of the video.
Feeling so free, summer vibe, that's the way it's meant to be. Stars shining bright in the summer sky, lost in the moment as the hours fly by, with friends around and laughter in the air. Summer vibes everywhere, we got no cares. Hey, 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 let's dance all night. Hey, 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 under the moonlight. Hey, 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 feeling so free. Summer vibe, that's the way it's meant to be. Barefoot on the sand, with the waves rolling in, singing along to the songs of the wind. As the bonfire crackles and sparks fill the air, we're making...
For the wardrobe, I do like to keep it quite simple in terms of the products that I'm using. So to wipe down the shelves, I like to go in with the Dettol disinfectant spray, and then to wipe down the mirror, glass drawers, and glass shelves, I like to go in with the elbow grease, glass, and window cleaner, and that just keeps it nice and clean without any streak marks. Onto the actual dumping ground. I feel like the bulk of this mess is just my daughter's clean laundry, so we're gonna have a whale of a time just folding and putting that all away. I do actually find folding and organizing her bits to be quite therapeutic, so I am enjoying the process, but her section of the wardrobe just stays a mess. And I'm not blaming her, it's just one for me to try and keep on top of. So in case anyone is wondering, these cute little baby hangers are from Amazon, and I do have them listed down below in the description if anyone's interested.
shining, feeling so fine, dancing to the rhythm like no one's watching in the night.
And just like that, the wardrobe is nice and clean. I did sprinkle some vanilla scented carpet powder on the floor and left it for about 10 minutes before hoovering. And who doesn't love hoover lines? I'm so obsessed.
Feeling so alive, just like the summer breeze, I'm ready to thrive.
Onto the bathroom, and these are my holy grail bathroom cleaning products, especially the Domestos foam cleaner. That thing works wonders for cleaning off limescale, and I also do like the Astonish toilet cleaner quite a lot. I like to apply everything and leave it for about 30 minutes so it gets to sit and marinate before actually cleaning and wiping everything down.
As the hours fly by, with friends around and laughter in the air, summer vibes everywhere, we got no cares. Let's dance all night, under the moonlight, feeling so free. Summer vibe, that's the way it's meant to be. Barefoot on the sand, with the waves rolling and singing along to the songs.
Once the products have been sitting for a while, I do like to go in with an old sponge and just scrub everything away. Following that, I like to go in with a microfiber cloth just to dry the sink and kind of buff it and shine it. Occasionally, because fingerprints and watermarks are the bane of my life, I do sometimes go in with a candle just to buff into the stainless steel parts, and that just stops any watermarks and fingerprints from forming. I really feel like I'm doing my big one with this next advice. So as you know, I do like to use the elbow grease spray just to spray onto the mirror. But my trick is to use the flash mop, attach a microfiber cloth and use that as an extended arm for cleaning the mirror. I do have this extendable scrubbing thing from Amazon. Not gonna lie, I don't quite like it and I wouldn't really recommend it. It does make cleaning the bath a bit easier, but the scrubby part just slides off all the time, which is quite annoying. I am on the hunt for something that's easier to use, so if anyone has any suggestions, please drop it in the comment section below. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you'd know I do have a little bit of a floor cleaning routine. So I do have white porcelain tiles and they are very unforgiving. So I like to go in with a broom, sweep everything, kind of get the main dust up and out the way. Then I go in with my flash mop. That's just to pick up any extra dust that the broom kind of left behind or missed. And then I go in with my Shark click and flip steam mop. This is more just to disinfect and clean the floors, because my daughter does like to crawl all over the bathroom floors. And one thing I do like about this Shark mop is that it releases steam, so you know your floor is extra clean and extra hygienic. actually onto the Hot Mess Express. Oh, this is so embarrassing. This has got to be the worst room of the house, but also the most transformative. Again, please don't judge me. This is a couple weeks of pile up. You can see nappies, bottles, sweet wrappers, clothes. I like to throw my pillows onto the floor when I'm sleeping. I don't actually like sleeping with a pillow. But yes, please don't judge me. Okay, so now that we have cleaned up all of the rubbish, we can see the floor again. We're going to move on to the bed. I'm just going to start by removing all of the bed sheets, stripping it so that they can go in the laundry. I am going to show you how I spread my bed, despite the fact that there are no sheets on there currently. I do like to use king size pillows. I've got a king size bed, so I like king size pillows. And I like to fluff those up. With the duvet, I am using a super king duvet. That helps to give you that kind of hotel look, that big fluffy quilt slash duvet. Gives you really nice, really puffy hotel looking beds. And then I do like to layer my bed with big cushions. These are duck feather cushions, and that's how you achieve the chop. All of my bedding typically comes from Dusk, and then the cushions are from Dunelm.
To the sky, I see they change from blue to black. Stars they twinkle, night they wrap you like a sigh. All the chaos of the day make you take a backseat. In this night they come, life they feel complete. Step away from the rush, find a quiet place. Let the calm fill up every empty space. As the night breeze blow, feel the gentle touch in the calm of the evening. Life no they rush. Feel the calm, let it wash over you. Feel the calm, let it wash over you.
Now we're going to use the elbow grease glass and window cleaner just to give the bedside tables a quick wipe down. Then we're going to go on to spreading or changing my baby's crib sheets and hoovering up the floor, and we'll be done with the bedroom.
You make with every breath, with every move. Keep the calm, feel the groove. When the hustle come down and the noise fade away, feel the calm as they roll, just to rush away. Breathing deep, let your mind get free. In this quiet moment, find where you need to be. Feel the calm, let it wash over you. In the silence, find the truth. Let your heart beat slow, let the world take slow. Feel the calm, let the peace just grow. Feel the calm.
Like with the wardrobe, I did sprinkle some vanilla scented carpet powder onto the floor, left it for about 10 minutes and then hoovered it up. I promise you, this leaves the carpet smelling so good.
In this night they come, life they feel complete.
If you made it this far into the video, I salute you. Thank you so much. We're on to the last little bit before the upstairs is completely clean. Now, the hallway, I always end on the hallway because that's where I compile all the mess from the other rooms.
Feel the calm, let it wash over you. Feel the calm, let it wash over you.
So I'm just putting everything away, tidying up, putting the bed sheets into the washing machine, and then we're hoovering again at last. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate for anyone who got to this part of the video. I love you so much.
So when the morning light starts to break, carry this calm into